Hello children, this is Teenkulli. Today we are going to learn about characteristics of living things for class 6 students. Yes children, we know that in nature there are two kinds of things will be there, living and non-living things. What is the living things and non-living things? We know that living, naturally we have that plants, animals, soil, water, air, mountains, these are all natural things we have. Even that human beings also natural things. We are created by that God, we know that. But non-living things, what is the non-living things that, okay, even that soil, water, air, that are all also natural things, but they are called non-living things. Even that man-made things also non-living things, book, pen, pencil, eraser, even that board, even that computers, then phone, that are all called non-living things. About that only, what are the difference between living and non-living things? Then what are the special characteristics of living things only? Today we are going to learn. First we know that children, what are the living things and non-living things? We know that living things have 7 features, that one. Okay, we know that difference between these are living things, even that human beings, plants, animals, birds, then aquatic animals also, even fish, lobster, crabs, that are all also living things. Then non-living things, we know the children, even that mountain, soil, rock, then even that comb, then chair, then car, vehicles also non-living, even songs, that toys, that are all called non-living things. What are the special features for living? These are all living, these are all non-living. Why these are all living, these are non-living? Some special characters was by to living things. What are the special characters, that one? Okay, now we are going to see that signs of life. 7 life processes are for that living things only. What is the first one? No, feeding. Feeding was nothing but eating. We know that living things need food to live. All that, even the plants, animals, then birds, insects, human beings, all that living things need food to live. Okay, then our second one, what is it? No, respiration. Respiration, the process of getting energy from the food by through that getting oxygen. We know that breathing, we can inhale oxygen, exhale carbon dioxide. That process we can call as that breathing. So in this breathing process, what happens? The oxygen go inside that, it release the energy from the food. That process we can call as respiration. So that we can, for that living things only need that. Even the plants, animals also respire, insects, birds, all the living things, even the fishes also respire. They are getting that oxygen from the water, aquatic lives, crabs, lobster, even frog also. All that living things respiration. They are getting the energy from that air, getting energy from the oxygen. Especially plants also how the plants are respire, ma'am? You are asking, means no, plants also living, okay, how they are respire? We know that no, by through the stomata only it can respire. What is stomata called? Already we learned about that in previous class. Stomata is nothing but a small tiny pores. Small pores present in that leaves are called stomata. Okay, so by through the stomata only it will exchange the gases. During the daytime, what happened? We know the children, during the daytime it inhale carbon dioxide, exhale oxygen. It is opposite to us. Nammalukku opposite ah irukum nammalukku. Okay, during daytime in the presence of sunlight. Then, but during the night time, what happened means no, like us, nammala madriye vandu pathina, it inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. That's why our forefathers told during the night time don't go near to the trees, plants, that are all. Why means no, nearing that plants and trees, so many carbon dioxide molecules only there, but we need oxygen only. Okay, but we can inhale carbon dioxide, what happened? We can create respiratory problem. That's why they are told. They told like that. So that is called respiration. Next one, movement. We know that all living things are move from one place to other place. Ma'am, plants move aguma abdin pathina, they are moving to the, you know that example, sunflower, they are moving by through that air, it will move, no? So that's why movement. Okay, even that. Then even water plants, aquatic plants, they are moving in that water, hydrilla, like that. They are moving in that water. So movement, all the living things get movement. The next one, what is that? No, growth. We know that no, before that 10 years back we are small kid. Now we are grown up a child like that. Okay, then later after the 10 years old we have that adult, then man, then grandman, like that. Growth will be there. Even that plants also, small seed we can put in that, after the 1 month later it grows a small plant. So germination process also takes place, growth for plants also, the animals also the same as well as. So all the living things growth. Then next one, excretion. Excretion means, what is the meaning of that? No, the removal of waste products from our body. We know the children in our body during the daytime what happened? No, sweating, especially summer season, sweat avudhu nammalukku. Yeah, that is also waste only. Urine, motion, each and every day, what we can do, we can remove the waste from our body. That means poisons, unwanted substance we can remove from our body. Then only you can become healthy. That process we can call as excretion. The removal of waste from our body, or otherwise we can call as the removal of waste. That means, or otherwise putting out the waste from our body, that we can call as excretion. So my plants also excrete. They are removing the waste. Yes, plants also remove the waste by through the transpiration process. I can pour the water to the plant, it grows a big tree, means no, what happened? Excess of water I can pour, that means what happened? No, the water gets evaporated by through the sunlight. That process we can call as transpiration. So appo thevillada porula vandu pathina plants enna panadhu, remove panadhu. So plants also excrete by through that transpiration process. Then next one is, what is that? No, reproduction. It's very important. We know that, no, we are coming from that father and mother coming from grandfather, grandmother, like that. So generation will be the reproduction, the process of birth, the process of giving birth to young ones. We know that cat give kitten, cow give calf, like that, dog give puppy, hen give kitten, chick, like that. No, the same as well, they give young ones. Okay, that process we can call as reproduction, the process of giving birth to young ones of their own kind. Ma'am, what is my own kind? Ma'am, dog na dog adanoda kutti dana varum, cow na adanoda kutti dana varum, illiya kanna, human being is a human being coming from that only. Okay, so like that, that is a own kind, that we can call as reproduction. So what is my reproduction, children? The process of giving birth to young ones of their own kind, that we can call as reproduction. So plants also reproduce. We know that, children. I can put the seed in, grows a plant. That plant give another plant, like that. No, you can get that fruit. Fruit line seed irukku. So we can put the seed. Other means it grows a plant by through the spores also. சில பிளான்ட்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஸ்போர்ஸ் இருக்கும், சின்ன சின்ன மைன்யூட் பார்ட்டிகல்ஸ். they are spread with that air, it goes a another plant, another இன்னொரு பிளேஸ்ல வந்து ட்ரீயா பிளான்ட்டா வளரும். So that we can call as reproduction. Last one, what is that? No, irritability. What is the irritability? Otherwise called sensitivity. We know that, children, touch me not plant, தொட்டா சினிங்கின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு பிளான்ட் பார்த்துப்போம். போய் தொட்டவனே என்ன அவனுக்கு ஃபீல் ஆகும், it will shrink his leaves வந்து என்ன சுருங்கிடும். Then after some time we will open that. Even that we are also having the same feeling. I can go and touch that hot object, means suddenly we can take our hand from that. அப்படியே வச்சிட்டு இருப்போம் நம்ம, we can feel that. No, that sense we have that. Okay, so all the living things, even animals also have the sense. Okay, all the living things have these special features. What are special features, children? First one, feeding, respiration, movement, then growth, excretion, reproduction, finally sensitivity, or otherwise we can call as irritability. What is the first one? We can able to see that animal life. We know that animals are the same as well as human lives will be there. We are seeing that, no, growth, movement, respiration, excretion, then reproduction, then sensitivity. Even that crabs and lobsters, we know that crabs, நண்டுன்னு சொல்லல, அதுவும் லாப்ஸ்டர்ஸும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா என்ன பண்ண, அவுட் சைடில் ஓல்ட் ஸ்கெலிட்டன் வில் பி தர். அதுவுமே அவுட்டர் ஸ்கெலிட்டன், ஓகே, நம்மள மாதிரி வந்து இல்லாமல் அதுக்கு ஸ்கெலிட்டன் இருக்கும். தே ஆர் ஆல்சோ ஹேவிங் தட் in that waterல என்ன ஆகும்னா உனக்கு இதுவாகும். Then next one, what is that? No, insects and spiders also taking the air from that. Okay, they are also breathe, that's why they are given in that picture. The next one, what is that? No, plant. Man, plant, I told that, no, plants also respire. Plants also produce their own food. By through which process, children? Photosynthesis. These process, they are given that plants make their own food during the which process? Photosynthesis. This process happens during the daytime only. Why, ma'am, this daytime only? In the presence of sunlight only, plants prepare their own food. What are the raw materials need for that? One thing, carbon dioxide, CO2, okay, CO2, then H2O, water, then in the presence of sun's energy means sunlight, we are getting that. That's why we can say that photosynthesis. Photo means nothing but light. We know that taking the photo in the presence of light only, no? So, here this process taking place in the presence of sunlight. Then another one, what is that? Green color will be there. What is that? Chlorophyll. These chlorophyll present where? In the leaves. The green pigment present in the leaves is called chlorophyll. These only give the green color to the leaves. So, this in the presence of chlorophyll, what happen means no, carbon dioxide react with water, it gives sugar, C6H12O6, nothing but sugar, or otherwise we can call as glucose. Then it gives oxygen. So, during this process what happen means no, oxygen gas is released. Okay, so that's why. So, some plants reproduce by making seeds. Seeds nala silla plants silla nuts la spores na chinna chinna tugalgal solluvaanga. Okay, by through that it reproduce. Then next one, what is that no? Animal life, plant life. What is the first process I told that no? Plants eating and feeding. So, we know that plants make their own food, but animals what happen means no, we are getting the food from that plants. We also, human beings also, we are getting food from plants. We also need food to grow. The next one, what is that no? Movement. I told that no, movement. Animals also move. It will find that shelter. Food kaga edu agum, shelter kaga enemies edana vandiruchna. Suppose deer means no, tiger will come no. It will move from one place to other place. Then it will search the food for that. That also then shelter poi engana poi thangano அப்படின்றதுக்காக move ஆகும். Then our heart also pumps the blood. You know the children in the muscles. Okay, the next one, stomach. In the stomach also, wall of the stomach also made by the muscles and it also churn the food, digest the food. Okay, the next one, what is that no? Muscles between the ribs also help them to up and down. Number ribs, rib cage, here that these rib cage only protect our heart and lungs. These only going to up and down while breathing. Respire, நம்ம breathe பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகும், it go up and down. So these also movement in that human beings, hardly movement ஆகுது, stomach also. The next one, another one thing, what is it no? Ribs. So these movement we are getting from that. Then next one, what is that no? Irritability. I told before itself, sensitivity. We have the sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. We know that eyes, nose, tongue and ears and skin. Okay, we can touch any object, hot object or cool object, and suddenly we can take away the hand from that. That sense we have that. Okay, children, the same as well as for all the animals also the same. So that we can call as sensitivity. Even that we can see that centipedes. Centipedes na idu maravattan solluva centipedes. Then puran solluva use their antenna and the front la irukliya rendu, that we can call as antenna. Okay, these antenna they will touch the ground. You know, suddenly what happened? They will send the image to the brain. Brain po image panid. Oh, suppose here this place is not good. This is not safest place. Suddenly, so even that insects also have the sense. That's why they given in the picture. Okay, the next one, what is that no? Growth and reproduction. I told before itself growth. We can before the 10 years back what happened? We are small kid, baby, small baby. Now we are little bit grown up. That growth we have. Even the plants, animals also like that. The growth will be there. Then second one, and next one, what is that no? Reproduction. What is the reproduction? I told that no. Reproduction is the process of giving birth to young ones. Even that, see that lion, cub, even that horse also the same as well as they give the young one. These young one also need food to grow. இல்லையா, குழந்தைக்கு food வேணும் இல்லையா, கண்டிப்பா baby also need food. Okay, நம்ம குழந்தையா இருக்கும்போது நாம என்ன பண்ணோம், we drink milk no, and small kind of little bit digested food we can eat, then only you can grown up. Yes no children. So even that childhood young ones also need food to grow. That's why they given to healthily. The next one is what is that no? Respiration. What is the respiration? The same as well as breathing. Breathing ku இன்னொரு பேர் தான் respiration சொல்லுவாங்க, process. Okay, not the same as breathing, but respiration, breathing is inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. That means inhalation, exhalation. It will exchange the gases. Okay, even the plants also exchange. I told before itself by through the stomata. Stomata la da in the process nadakudhu. Okay, so respiration also takes place in living things. The next one, what is that? How the respiration takes place? Breathing is different. Breathing is nothing but only inhale and exhale. That only called as breathing. But respiration, what is the meaning of that? No, it will release the energy from the food. We can inhale oxygen inside. So what happened? These oxygen go inside that. The digested food will be there. No, from the digested food we can get the energy. So that process we can call as respiration. Here they given the equation. Glucose, already I told that no, glucose is nothing but we are getting the food. No, we are bad mom, we are eating that carbohydrate, fat, protein, all the nutrients eating only. Okay, எல்லாமே போயிட்டு ஒரு காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் ஃபுட்டா தான் நம்ம சாப்பிடுவோம் இல்லையா, எல்லாமே கலந்த ஃபுட்டா தான் சாப்பிடுவோம். அது போயிட்டு டைஜஸ்ட் ஆகும்போது it goes into simple ஃபுட்டா சேஞ்ச் ஆயிடும். That we can call as glucose. So அந்த glucose கூட இந்த ஆக்சிஜன் நம்ம breathe பண்றோம் இல்லையா, inhale பண்றோம் இல்லையா, அந்த ஆக்சிஜனோட கம்பைன் பண்ணிட்டு what happened? No, it releases carbon dioxide, water, and only it will releases energy. So these process we can call as respiration. So given the equation C6H12O6, already I told that no, glucose, it reacts with oxygen, it releases carbon dioxide, water, and energy. These energy only we are getting that. Okay, so during that daytime and nighttime, what happened? Whenever you are eating that food, whenever they are breathing that oxygen, what happened? No, it changes from the food to get energy. So this very, very important process. So respiration takes place in plants also the same. Respiration, animals and plants during that daytime and nighttime. So that's why they given that plants மட்டும் என்ன பண்ணுதுன்னா ரெண்டுமே பண்ணுது. What happened? During the daytime it prepare the food, but through that photosynthesis process and also respiration also takes place. So plants is very, very special. Okay, so these all photosynthesis process also take place, respiration நடக்குது plantsல. So it's very, very important. The next one, what is that? No, excretion. These process also very, very important. Ma'am, சாப்பாடு intake மட்டுமே இருந்தா பண்ணா போதுமா? We can remove the waste from our body also, very, very important. No, each and every day we can remove the waste from our body, then only we become healthy. Okay, so when food and oxygen are used up, what happen means no, in the body the waste products are made. கண்டிப்பா நம்ம சாப்பிடும்போது எல்லா ஃபுட்டுமே வந்து healthy food கிடையாது, அதுல இருந்து waste products இருக்கும் கண்டிப்பா. It is very poisonous to our body. So we can remove that waste from our body, then only your body become healthy, you become healthy. What are the waste products from our body released? Urine வந்து sweat ஆகுது நம்மளுக்கு, even that motion, then by through that air we can inhale oxygen, உள்ள இழுக்கிறோம் நம்ம, வெளிய விடுறது என்னது carbon dioxide, is a waste product only. So that also called excretion. So excretion is nothing but the body must get rid of waste, removal of waste. So that's why call as removal or putting out waste. Because what happened? They are very, very poisonous. It's not unwanted food, unwanted products. Waste அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, நம்ம அந்த ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் நம்ம வெளியேற்றிட்டா நல்லது. வாட் ஆர் த வேஸ்ட் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் ரிலீஸ்? யூரின், ஸ்வெட், ஏரை நம்மளுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுறோம், நம்ம ப்ரீத் பண்ணும்போது கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடை நம்ம எக்ஸேல் பண்ணுறோம். Okay, so that process we can call as excretion. So these process also very, very, very important. So these are the 7 signs of life. That means 7 special characteristics of living things. Okay, children. So what are the first one? Can you able to see that now? Okay, first one, these are the 7 signs of that: feeding, respiration, movement, growth, excretion, reproduction, and irritability, or otherwise you can call as sensitivity. These are the 7 characters, important characters of living things. These characters not suitable for non-living things. That is the difference between living and non-living things. Okay children, can you understand this one? Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.